flood scene was an interesting technical challenge because, like everything else in the film, I wanted it to be in camera. You got a woman who wanted to have a gardening shop. She's an eccentric gardener. She builds herself a container store, a store out of containers. For your point of view as the gardener, what's the difference between having a 10-foot ceiling with translucent material so that the plants can get light and a 20-foot? The whole idea is to make it claustrophobic. Yeah. The whole idea is to remind the audience at all times that there is a ceiling on this place, so that when the wave comes, it's like the worst nightmare. We decided to take 2 cargo containers, which held 22,000 gallons of water each, so 44,000 gallons of water, and put them on a mechanism that would tip the huge 40-foot long cargo containers.
So the idea was that they're going to be in this garden center. A wave is going to come through the picture windows on one side and wash them right out the other side and into a flood. That's where we've got our cameras, dunking in and out of the water. We're trying to keep the camera with the actor. It's an extreme amount of current.
There's something really biblical, I must say, about the sequence.